Hey guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, ginawa ko tong makeup look na to. So if you want to know how I did this makeup look, please just keep on watching. So guys, umpisa natin sa paglalagay ng moisturizer. So for my moisturizer, gagamitin ko tong Eye White Aqua Moisturizer, yung bago nila. Ayan. Move on na tayo sa primer. So, ang gagamitin ko primer is itong Careline Blur Stick. So, for my foundation, gagamitin ko itong Matte Plus Poreless ng Maybelline. Ayan. I'm in the shade 230 Natural Buff. For my cream contour, gagamitin ko tong Careline Contour Stick. So, for my powder, gagamitin ko tong Bench Daily Spell Magic Powder. For my palette, gagamitin ko tong EB Advanced Rich Palette. Ayan. Gagamitin ko tong shade na ito. So, tapos na tayo sa eyes na mag-eyeliner na tayo. Ang gagamitin ko is itong Careline Graph Ink Liner. So, pagkatapos natin gawin yung eyeliner, mag-inner corner na tayo. Gagamitin ko tong EB Pro Play Palette. Ayan. Itong shade na ito. gagamitin ko tong Maybelline Hyper Curl Volume Express Mascara. So, for my brows, i-brush off ko lang yung brows ko. Hindi na ako naglalagay ng kahit na anong product. So, for my contour, gagamitin ko tong Detail Makeover. Yan. So, gagamitin ko tong shade na ito. So, i-blend natin contour. Gagamitin natin tong yung bronzer para mas ma-blend lalo. So, for my blush, gagamitin ko tong Vice Aura Blush in the shade Bucon. For my highlighter, gagamitin ko tong Vice Aura Glow in the shade Splendid. So, for my lipstick, gagamitin ko tong Careline Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Gotta Go. Guys, ito na ating final look. So, if you like today's look, please don't forget to like, comment your video suggestion, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell beside it so you will be notified whenever I uploaded a new video. So, yun lang guys. Bye! Bye-bye!